Doctors now believe 70% of diseases start with a damaged gut lining. These specific foods seal it. It is called food as medicine, and it is the fastest path to health you will ever find. Your gut is the gatekeeper of your entire immune system. When that gate is broken, everything else begins to crumble. Imagine your intestinal lining as a fine mesh net. In a healthy body, this net only lets tiny, digested nutrients pass through into your bloodstream. But modern life is hard on this delicate barrier. Chronic stress, processed sugars, and environmental toxins act like acid on that mesh, burning holes into the lining. This condition is known as leaky gut. When these holes appear, undigested food particles, harmful bacteria, and toxins leak directly into your blood. Your immune system sees these invaders and goes into a state of high alert. This constant red alert causes systemic inflammation. It is the silent driver behind brain fog, chronic fatigue, skin rashes, and even autoimmune disorders. If you are struggling with your health, the solution is not just more pills. The solution is repairing the wall. You must seal the leaks before you can heal the body. The first miracle food for gut repair is bone broth. It is rich in collagen and amino acids like proline and glycine. These are the literal building blocks your body needs to rebuild the intestinal wall. Drinking just 1 cup a day can act like liquid gold for your digestive tract. Next, you need fermented foods. Think of organic sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. These are packed with live probiotics that crowd out bad bacteria and restore the natural balance of your microbiome. A healthy microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids that nourish the cells lining your gut. You also need high-quality fats, like extra virgin olive oil and wild-caught salmon. These provide the omega-3s necessary to cool down the inflammation that keeps the gut leaky. Finally, do not forget fiber-rich vegetables like asparagus and garlic. These act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria so they can do their job of protecting you. Healing your gut is the single most important step you can take for your long-term vitality. By choosing these healing foods, you are giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out. Start today by swapping one processed snack for a gut-healing alternative. Your body has an incredible ability to recover if you provide the right environment. Take control of your health, fix your digestion, and watch your energy return. It is time to stop managing symptoms and start addressing the root cause of your illness right now.